Hey there! Ever felt like self-doubt is holding you back from achieving your true potential? If so, you're definitely not alone. Confidence isn't just a nice-to-have trait. It's the cornerstone of success and the foundation of personal growth. But let's face it, confidence doesn't always come naturally. Even the most self-assured people have moments of uncertainty. That's where daily inspiration, specifically empowering quotes, can play a huge role in keeping your confidence levels high. Before diving in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon for exclusive content. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. So, why are words so powerful? Ever heard about Dr. Masaru Emoto's study on the impact of words on water molecules? Positive words resulted in beautiful, symmetrical ice crystals, while negative ones led to chaotic shapes. Now, while the study's methodology has been debated, the concept remains powerful. The words we surround ourselves with can shape our mindset. Empowering quotes act as a daily reminder of your inner strength and potential. When you repeatedly expose your mind to positive affirmations, it rewires your thought patterns, making you more resilient and confident. Think of it as mental conditioning. Just as athletes train their bodies, you can train your mind to be confident. Let's dive into 5 powerful quotes that can serve as your daily dose of inspiration. These aren't just words on a page, they're catalysts for change. First up, believe you can, and you're halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. Imagine you're prepping for a job interview for a position you've always wanted. Doubts creep in. Am I really qualified? What if I mess up? At this moment, recall Roosevelt's quote. By walking into the interview with confidence, you're more likely to impress the panel. Next, your only limit is your mind. Unknown. Remember Roger Bannister, the first person to run a mile in under 4 minutes? Before him, it was believed the human body couldn't do it. The limit wasn't physical, it was mental. With the right mindset, you can shatter your own limits. Do not wait to strike till the iron is hot, but make it hot by striking. William Butler Yeats. Thinking about starting your own business? Instead of waiting for the right time, take small steps toward your goal today. Your confidence will grow, and what seemed impossible will start to feel achievable. You are enough just as you are. Meghan Markle. Surrounded by highly accomplished peers and questioning if you measure up? Remind yourself of this quote. Embrace your unique strengths and contributions. You bring something valuable to the table just as you are. Finally, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Launched a project that didn't go as planned? Churchill's words remind you that failure is just a stepping stone on the path to success. Reflect on what you've learned and use that knowledge to move forward with renewed confidence. Now, how do you incorporate these quotes into your daily routine? Start with morning affirmations. Use visual reminders like sticky notes. Keep a reflection journal and share quotes on social media. Remember, confidence isn't a destination, it's a journey. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to becoming the most confident version of yourself. So, hit that subscribe button for more empowering content. Transform your confidence, transform your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.